सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल विजय क्लासेस। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वर्कशीट ऑफ क्लास नाइन्थ लाइंस एंड एंगल चैप्टर से। ओके, हम जितने कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़े हैं क्वेश्चन बाय क्वेश्चन उनको देखेंगे। क्लियर? चलिए शुरू करते हैं। और अगर आपको ये एक्सप्लेनेशन में कहीं दिक्कत हो, कहीं कुछ समझ ना आए हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना ना भूलें। चलिए क्वेश्चन शुरुआत करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, if two lines intersect, then condition is given here when two lines intersect. So let's check. If two lines are intersecting, one line, two line, so adjacent angles are equal. No, when two lines intersect, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Here angle 1 and 2 are vertically opposite, so option C is correct. Here vertically opposite angles are equal. So remember this point, whenever two lines intersecting, vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, now let's go for second question. And second question is, if a line is perpendicular to one of the two given parallel lines. Okay, question is saying that if a line perpendicular to one of two given parallel lines, two parallel lines are given and one line is perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular means this is 90 degree. Then what is the value of the angle it makes with the other line? Okay, other line is it L is other line, so other line is also 90 degree because these two lines are parallel, M and L are parallel, and this is transversal which is making 90 degree with M. If it is making 90 degree with M, automatically this will be 90 degree, and according to corresponding angle it is also 90 degree. Okay, so answer is here B. Question number second, B part is the correct answer. Okay, now question number third is that in the given figure, if angle AOC is 50, AOC is 50 is given. Okay, this angle is given 50, you have to find the value of AOD. AOD, it means this complete angle, and COB, these two angles. First of all, understand here also two lines are intersecting. It means these two angles are vertically opposite angles and definitely both are equal. Okay, now let's find the, see, from here to here overall it is 180 degree. Okay, 180, why? Because it is made on a straight line, these are linear pair, so automatically this angle will be 130. Okay, 130, it is 130, then this is also 130. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angles, just now we have discussed this thing. So overall the sum of these two angles, okay, we have to find the sum. So 130 makes, and it is 260, 260 the answer of this question. Okay, now let's go for next question. It is question number 4. If the interior angle on the same side of a transversal are equal. Okay, let's check first. Interior angle of the same side of a transversal, so there are two lines, one is transversal, so interior angle, okay, it means of same side, these two. Okay, where blue color, okay, these are the interior angle of the same side. If they are equal, then what is the value of each angle? And we know that one property is there, the interior angle of one side, they are known as co-interior angle. Otherwise, one more name is that align angle or consecutive angle. And property is saying that their sum is equal to 180 degree. Okay, their sum is 180 degree. Consecutive angle, co-interior angle, and align angle, these all three are same angle. Okay, one side of a transversal and interior angle. So condition is given in this question, if these two angles are equal, so their sum is 180 degree. If they are equal, it means they would be of 90 and 90. So option C is correct. Both angle is of 90 and 90. If they are 90 90, then only their sum is 180, otherwise not. So for answer C is correct. Okay, now let's go for another question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is saying that if a transversal intersect two lines, again transversal problem is there. So transversal means again parallel lines, one transversal, two lines in such a way that the alternate interior angles are equal. Now alternate interiors angle, okay, alternate interior angle means one yellow and other. Alternate interior angles are equal. Question number is saying alternate interior angles are equal, these two are equal, then the lines are okay. This is a reverse question. If alternate interior angles are equal, then lines are parallel, because when lines are parallel, then only interior angles are equal. Okay, so directly you can write here answer, these are parallel. First option is correct. If the two interior angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel lines. Okay, and opposite of it is also true. So now next question number 6 is in the figure. In this figure you have to find the value. In the figure, what is the relation between AB and CD? AB and CD is first line and CD this line. Okay, let's check. In AB line, angle is given 80, so this rest angle is of 100 because it is a linear pair. Okay, and this 100 is equal to the another 100. It means where R is written, that is also 100, and they are making alternate interior angle. Just now we have discussed alternate interior angle, and alternate interior angles are equal only when lines are parallel. Okay, so parallel option is where? Option number C. Option number C is correct. Okay, so question number 6 answer is C, AB parallel to CD. Why? Because when they are parallel, then only alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, I hope this concept is clear and every question is crystal clear for you. If still any doubt, you can leave a message in a comment box. If it is clear, then right there it is clear. Okay, so with that, we are moving forward with the next question. Okay, question number 7 is saying that what is the sum of adjacent angles on a straight line? So straight line, and these two are adjacent angle. What is the sum of that? It is made on a straight line, it means that is 180-degree directly, because the angles which are made on a straight line is always 90-degree, their sum. Okay, so option C is correct of 7th one. Now last question of this worksheet, that is in the given figure, if PQR, okay, PQR, PQR inside one, okay, is equal to PRQ, PRQ, it means this inside one. Okay, if they are equal, it is given if they are equal, then check the option which angles are equal. So PQS, it means this angle outside red one is equal to this automatically. If inside one equal, then outside one is automatically equal, because both are on the straight line. So PQS and PRT, these two are equal. Okay, PQS and PRT, option C is correct here. Okay, it is logical question. It means you can solve it by method of or by formula of linear pair. Okay, I hope it is clear. If still any doubt, you can tell me, I'll clear your doubts. So now, if you like this video, please share it with your friends, and thank you for watching it. Be with us for more videos of maths and clear your concept. Thank you everyone.